Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best cauldron oil burner available on the market. The 2 hanging cauldron Pagan oil burner set by Tessco for you. This unique set offers a perfect blend of function and style, designed to enhance your home ambiance whether you're into witchcraft aesthetics or simply want a distinctive decorative diffuser. Right out of the box, you receive 2 ceramic cauldrons, each featuring a creative and artistic design with a cool matte black finish. They are crafted with care to resemble traditional pagan cauldrons, complete with hanging handles and lids. These burners measure approximately 4 inches by 4 inches in width and length, and about 7.5 inches in height, making them an ideal size to hang or place on your desk, shelf, or any cozy nook in your home. Included in this set are 10 white tea light candles that are slightly taller than the typical tea lights, standing about 1.1 inches high. This is a thoughtful design choice to ensure a safe and balanced heat source, preventing the burner from getting too hot or tall, which could diminish the fragrance effect. Using these burners is straightforward. You simply add water and a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the cauldron's bowl to fill your space with soothing aromas. Alternatively, they also function beautifully as wax melt burners. However, it's important to keep in mind the depth of the bowl when adding wax to avoid overflow during melting. The tea light candle underneath gently heats the water or wax, releasing a calming and refreshing fragrance that creates a relaxing atmosphere. Beyond their practical use, these cauldrons double as elegant home decor pieces. Their gothic, witchy charm is perfect for seasonal decorations, especially Halloween and Christmas, but their artistic quality means they fit well into various interior styles. Whether you place them in your living room, bedroom, office, or bathroom, they add a distinctive touch of mystical elegance. This set is particularly appealing for anyone interested in witchcraft or gothic home design, making it a thoughtful gift idea for Halloween enthusiasts or as a unique hostess or housewarming present. The ceramic construction ensures durability, and the manual operation means no complicated setup. Just light a candle, add your oils or wax, and enjoy the ambiance. In summary, the 2 hanging cauldron Pagan oil burner set from Tessco for you offers a perfect combination of artistic design, practical functionality, and a cozy, aromatic experience. If you're looking to elevate your home's scent game with a stylish, thematic touch, this set is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.